So let's see how you can add multiple rows and columns in Google Spreadsheet. Here I have this column and this row. So let's see how you can add the data in this column. For this, I'll just go here, insert, function, sum, and here I can select this cell which is C7, put a colon and the next range C11. So this adds this data. If I unselect, you can see it gives 50. Now what if I also want to include this particular row? For this, I'll go here, put a comma and select the next range value, which is from here till G7 till G7, and that should add this row, this column and this row. If I unselect, you can see the sum is 90. This is how you can add a row and a column in Google Spreadsheets.